everyone! In this video, we will explore how to make a template on Capcut iPad. So let's get into it. Firstly, let's navigate to the Capcut app on the iPad and open it. Once the app is open on the screen, from the bottom bar, open the Templates section. Here, you'll find hundreds of free templates that you can customize according to your desire. Let's open a random template to customize it. To move on to the next step, from the bottom right, tap on Use Template. Select a video or photo that you want to use in this template. I will select a random video to proceed to the next step. Once you select the file, then from the bottom right of the screen, tap on the Next button. You can see the video is added to the template. If you want to add music or change it, from the bottom of the screen, tap on the music icon. A list of music will open up on the screen. Explore this list to find the desired music. You can also add music from your device. Once you do everything, from the top right of the screen, tap on the Export button, then tap on Save to Device. And there you have it. This is how you can make a template on Capcut iPad. I hope this video has been helpful. For more informative content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.